Have you ever looked around your home and just thought, there has to be a smarter way to use all this stuff we're not paying attention to? Well, today I'm going to share with you a whole series of simple, practical, and seriously clever DIY home hacks. And the best part? They're all made from materials you probably already have lying around your house. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just pure creativity, a bit of resourcefulness, and some genius ideas that turn everyday objects into incredibly useful items. Ready to transform your space? Let's dive right in. First up, let's tackle a problem we all have: where to put our phones. We're going to create a clean, minimalist phone stand using nothing more than a small piece of cardboard. Seriously, that's it. Find a sturdy piece, maybe from a shipping box. Cut a rectangle about the size of your phone. Now, fold the bottom third of it up to create a little ledge. Then, make 2 small diagonal slits near the bottom corners of the main part. Just like that, in a matter of seconds, this simple piece of cardboard transforms into a surprisingly sturdy stand. It's perfect for watching videos while you're eating, joining online meetings, hands-free, or just keeping your screen at a comfortable angle while you're cooking and following a recipe. It's lightweight, you can adjust the angle, and it's shockingly durable. This is the ultimate hack for anyone who loves simplicity and practicality. No more propping your phone up against a water bottle only to have it slide down. Next, let's declare war on cable chaos. You know what I'm talking about? That drawer filled with a tangled mess of charging cables, headphones, and USB cords. Our secret weapon. Empty toilet paper rolls. Don't throw them away. Gather a few of them and find a small box, like a shoebox or a decorative storage box. Stand the toilet paper rolls up inside the box, side by side. Now, take each of your cables, coil it up neatly, and slide it into its own personal roll. Suddenly, everything is perfectly separated and organized. No more knots. No more spending 5 minutes untangling a single wire just to charge your phone. If you want to get a little extra fancy, you can even decorate the rolls. Wrap them in colorful paper, paint them, or add washi tape to match your room's aesthetic. It's such a simple solution, but the improvement it makes to your daily life is huge. All right? What about all those tiny items that always seem to get lost? I'm talking about buttons, earrings, SD cards, and paper clips. Instead of throwing away those small plastic food containers like the ones for sauces or small snackslets, turn them into a custom mini drawer unit. Make sure the containers are clean and dry. Then, simply stack them on top of each other and use a strong glue, like a hot glue gun or super glue, to secure them together. To make it even more functional, you can attach small labels to the front of each container. This little tower becomes the perfect storage system for all your small treasures. It's a great spot for sewing supplies like needles and thread, jewelry, tiny stationery items, or even tech accessories like flash drives. It's compact, completely customizable, and a wonderfully eco-friendly way to keep all those tiny, easy-to-lose items in one place. Now, let's make your home smell absolutely amazing without spending a dime on expensive air. We're going to create a natural, chemical-free air freshener using just orange peels, and baking soda. The next time you eat an orange, save the peels. Let them dry out for a day or two on a windowsill or near a warm spot. Once they're dry, break them into smaller pieces and place them in a small, open container, like a glass jar or a little bowl. Then, add a few spoonfuls of baking soda. The baking soda is a fantastic natural odor absorber, while the orange peels will slowly release a gentle, refreshing citrus fragrance. No harsh chemicals, no artificial scents, just a clean, natural aroma. You can place these little jars in your room, inside a closet to keep clothes smelling fresh, or in the bathroom. It's an easy, sustainable way to make your home feel and smell clean. Looking for a way to add a cozy, warm ambience to your room at night? Let's make a simple, beautiful night lamp from a glass jar. This is so easy and looks incredibly charming. Find an empty glass jar, pickle jar, or a jam jar works perfectly. You'll also need a small, battery-operated LED light, like a fairy light string or a flameless tea light. Place the light inside the jar. To soften the glow and give it a dreamy effect, you can line the inside of the jar with a layer of translucent paper, like tracing paper or baking parchment. Then, just close the lid. When you turn it on, it creates this soothing, warm light that's perfect for relaxing in the evening, reading a book, or just adding a touch of charm to your bedroom or living space. You can get really creative and decorate the outside of the jar with dried flowers, ribbons, or even paint to match your personal style. And for our final hack, let's get a little inventive and make a DIY desk vacuum. This is especially great for students, artists, or anyone who makes small messes at their workspace. You'll need a small plastic bottle, like a 500 milliliters water bottle, and a portable mini fan, the kind you can hold in your hand. First, carefully cut the top third of the plastic bottle off. Now, take your mini fan, turn it around, and attach the back of it the part that pulls air into the cut opening of the bottle. You can use strong tape, like duct tape, to secure it and create a good seal. When you turn the fan on, the suction it creates will pull in small debris like dust, eraser crumbs, and tiny paper scraps right into the bottle. It's a fun little gadget that is surprisingly effective for quick cleanups. It's a perfect example of how you can combine two simple items to create a brand new, useful tool. These DIY hacks really prove that usefulness doesn't always come from buying new things. So often, the best solutions are right in front of us, hidden in plain sight. It just takes a little creativity, a bit of imagination, and the willingness to see the potential in what we already have. I really hope you enjoyed these ideas. If you did, why not try making one today? I promise you might be surprised at how satisfying it feels to turn simple, everyday household items into practical, clever tools. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who loves DIY. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more creative inspiration. Let's continue to build a smarter, more resourceful home together. See you in the next video.